We talked about merge sort, how it works and its time complexity in one of our videos before. Here's the link to that video if you're interested. In this video, we're going to talk about the implementation of merge sort. Without further ado, let's start. Here we can see the base idea of the merge sort algorithm. In these lines, the algorithm divides the array into halves and sorts them recursively. The algorithm continues doing this until it ends up with one element subarrays. By calling the merge function, the algorithm merges the sorted left and right halves. Now let's see the implementation of the merge function itself. First, we create two copies of our array. One for keeping the left half and another one for keeping the right half. After that, we need to define three iterators. One for walking through the left half, one for walking through the right half, and another one for walking through the merged array. Here, we are using a while loop to loop through the elements in both halves until we run out of elements in one of them. If the left half has the smaller element, we put it in the merged array and then move forward in the left half by increasing the left half's pointer. The else part here is the exact opposite of what we just said, and here the right half has the smaller element. So we put it in the merged array and then increase the right half's pointer. In this line, regardless of where we got our element from, we move forward in the merged array. It's possible that we run out of elements either in the left or right halves. In this case, we need to go through the remaining elements in the other half and add them to the merged array. These two whiles here are for this purpose. The first while is to copy the remaining elements of the left half, and the second while is to copy the remaining elements of the right half. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this was useful for you. If you are interested in similar content, please consider subscribing to this channel.